Fuck you, Blizzard. I had Wednesday off from work. I lost my 2270 rating, and I'm a little more than butthurt. And I know I'm not alone, 'cause you shut off your customer support phone. So fuck you, Blizzard. Fuck you, I'm gone. I really loves me an automated message calling me a dirty, low stinking cheat. You'll probably take my daggers and my upgraded trinkets, swipe the boots right off my feet. It don't really matter if you like this song or all the legit people that you done did wrong. So fuck you, Blizzard. Fuck you, I'm gone.
No. And by the way, you don't want to do that either. You think you do, but you don't.
It seems like the only cheater is the intern who came up with this lame ass plan. All right, son, what's the best you got?
Well, if we screw everybody over, maybe we'll catch some of the bad guys.
Fuck you, Blizzard. I enjoyed the time that we had. I never had a bot or cussed out the lot in the BGs that made me mad. You probably won't notice one account get closed from the high horse that you're on. So fuck you, Blizzard. Fuck you, I'm gone.
Hey, that's pretty good.